Mike's car in limp mood. One day Mike was driving and he noticed that his car is not accelerating above 40 miles per hour, no matter how hard he hit the accelerator, which made driving difficult. He was worried, tried everything he could, but nothing changed, so he decided to call Jude, who works in a car dealership in the UK. Upon calling Jude, he was advised to immediately visit www.azurautomotive.com to seek for help from expert mechanics, which he did, and used the call option. During the call, the online mechanic helped him diagnose the fault, after asking him some questions, and gave him instructions to perform some emergency fixes, so he can safely drive to a close by recommended mechanic for proper repairs. Now let's talk about limp mode in cars. Limp mode in cars refers to a restricted operating condition often triggered by a serious problem with the engine or transmission. It's a protective measure to prevent further damage. Limp mode, once activated, would limit the vehicle from accelerating above 30 miles per hour to 40 miles per hour depending on the brand of vehicle. This is to ensure that the car is safely driven to a workshop for proper diagnosis and repairs. To fix it, you'll need to diagnose and address the underlying issue, which may involve checking sensors, fluid levels, or other components. It's recommended to consult a professional mechanic, or use a diagnostic tool to identify the specific problem causing the limp mode. Once the underlying cause of the limp mode is fixed, the limp mode would automatically deactivate itself. For some car brands, you may need to use a diagnostic tool to reset it. Finally, Mike's car has been fixed. He has tested it and he is relieved and happy. He is grateful to Azurau Automotive and recommends it to every car owner and driver.